Do you struggle with bad breath, bleeding gums, or that stubborn yellow plaque that just won't go away? Or maybe your teeth feel sensitive, or you've had mouth ulcers more than once this month? You're not alone, because almost 95% of people face oral health issues at some point. And the worst part? Most people ignore the early signs until it's too late. But what if I told you there are 6 natural, science-backed solutions, straight from Ayurveda and modern research, that can completely transform your dental health? Stick with me until the end, because the last one is a game changer you probably never think about, but it's essential for your overall health. Let's dive right in. 1. Clove oil, the king of oral remedies. Let's start with something you'll find in every kitchen: clove. But not just the spice, clove oil. This powerful oil contains eugenol, a natural compound that fights bacteria, reduces plaque, and strengthens gums. Study proven. In just 21 days, clove oil reduced bad bacteria and visible plaque in the mouth. How to use: add 10 drops of clove oil into 250 ml of water, shake well, and use it as a mouthwash. Or just apply 1 drop on your toothpaste or gums before brushing. Forget harsh alcohol-based mouthwashes. They dry your mouth, kill good bacteria, and may even make your breath worse in the long run. Clove oil? It's affordable, safe, and incredibly effective. 2. Guava leaves, nature's mouth ulcer cure. Got mouth ulcers or bad breath even after brushing? Try chewing 2 to 3 fresh guava leaves for 2 minutes. A study with 60 people showed that guava leaves healed ulcers faster than creams and stopped bacteria from spreading. They taste like the guava fruit, and while chewing, you'll instantly feel your breath getting fresher. It's a simple fix with big results. 3. Ayurvedic tooth powder, strengthen gums. Naturally, most people brush their teeth, but forget about their gums. That's where Ayurvedic tooth powder comes in. Massaging your gums boosts circulation and reduces swelling, bleeding, and gum recession. Make your own tooth powder at home: 25g rock salt, 25g's clove powder, 10g, each of turmeric, black pepper, and baking soda. Mix it, store it in a jar, and use it with mustard oil and a drop of clove oil to massage your gums for 1 to 2 minutes. This simple gum massage can completely revitalize your oral health. Plus, it costs less than a cup of coffee. 4. Oil pulling, detox your mouth and beyond. Take a spoonful of cold-pressed coconut, sesame, or mustard oil and swish it around in your mouth for 5 to 10 minutes, then spit it out. Sounds simple? That's because it is. But the effects are massive. Benefits people have reported: reduced gum swelling, whiter teeth, better digestion, reduced cravings, even for smoking. Glowing skin. It's an ancient Ayurvedic secret backed by modern studies, and adding a few drops of clove oil makes it even more powerful. 5. Neem datan, the original toothbrush. Forget plastic toothbrushes. Neem datan, the age-old Indian twig, does it all naturally. It strengthens gums, eliminates harmful bacteria, and even boosts brain activity. Chewing on neem twigs is like a workout for your gums. Can't find a datan? No problem. Buy neem sticks online for Rs. 5. Ask your local gardener, or just chew neem leaves and make a paste. Still 50% of the benefit. 6. Copper tongue cleaner, the most ignored step. Let's face it, most of us forget to clean our tongue. But did you know brushing alone leaves behind a thick layer of bacteria on your tongue? In one study, people who skipped tongue cleaning developed invisible bacterial layers causing bad breath and plaque. The solution? Copper tongue scrapers. Copper is naturally antibacterial and can remove up to 80% of bacteria in just 1 scrape. Plus, it lasts for years and costs around 100 rupees. Rinsing your mouth is not enough. Use a tongue cleaner daily for complete oral hygiene. These 6 remedies are simple, affordable, and powerful. Clove oil, guava leaves, Ayurvedic tooth powder, oil pulling, neem datan, copper tongue cleaner. If you make these a habit, you'll never need to rely on expensive dental treatments again. Which one will you try first? Comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs better oral health today. And hey, if you're still using chemical mouthwashes and plastic brushes, it's time to break up with them. Let your smile do the talking, with nature on your side.